Okay, in this video, we are going to go over the first half of the study guide. Now, in 1 through 5, it's asking you if these relations are functions or not. So whenever you see a graph, you should implement the vertical line test. And that's just drawing vertical lines throughout the graph and seeing how many times each vertical line crosses the graph line. So in this case, this vertical line only goes through once. This vertical line only goes through once. So that proves, yes, this is a function. You can either say because it passes a vertical line test, or that every domain has only one y. Now for number 2, you can do it a few different ways. You could plot these points. You could make a mapping diagram. It doesn't matter. What you do want to do is cover up the y. Because when we're just looking at these pairs, we don't care about the y. We are looking at the x's only. So, I have -4, -3, 9, 8, and -4. I see a domain repeat, so this makes it not a function. So a complete sentence would be, no, this is not a function because the domain of -4 has 2 ranges. And you can be as specific as you want. You can tell us what that range is. So in this case, 5 and -5. For number 3, it's another graph. So you want to do the vertical line test. Crosses once, crosses once. No matter where you put that vertical line, since it crosses once, it is a function. And you can put because it crosses or passes the vertical line test. Now number 4, even though it's in a mapping diagram, it's the same as number 2. You want to cover up the ranges. And you can do this with your ID, your hand, anything to cover that up. And then you look at the lines, okay? One line is leaving -1, one's leaving 0, 1, 2, 3. That means that every domain has only one range. Now for number 5, it's just a set of ordered pairs. So once again, you could cover up the y's. And then just look at the x's. I see 6 repeating, so I know that it's not a function. Or you can make a mapping diagram, or you could plot, or you can make it a table. It's really your choosing, whatever way you learn best.